Today I have a wireless headset. This is by the company VONT. You may have seen some other products from them. I did the headlamp. You can always check that out. But today we're going to unbox the VONT VNT-BTH01. So it's a Bluetooth single earpiece headset. I'm sure there's a lot of other companies out there that have ones like this, but this is the one we are going to check out. What I will say about this, it sells for about $24 on Amazon. The link is below if you want to check that out. But it has a 4-star rating out of over 1,800 ratings. That is pretty good, so it must be a pretty decent product, so I'm looking forward to checking this out. Just a couple things off the bat here. It says it has up to 13 hours of talk time, 220 hours of standby, headset and hands-free. You can sync up to 2 devices simultaneously, 128-bit encryption, a bunch of other regulations and things like that, enhanced noise cancellation, one-touch call answer and HD sound quality. Awesome, so let's go ahead and see what's in the box. So this could be something great if you're looking for a wireless headset. Probably works with, if you have a Bluetooth in your computer, probably work that way, but would definitely work obviously with a phone. Got our little getting started guide there. What else we have in the box? Thanks for purchasing, as well as a USB charger, standard USB, nothing crazy. Here is the actual headset right here. Get that to focus for you. If I bring this in a little bit closer here, you can see this section here. It actually, if I can get out of the way, so this part is actually soft here, and this is a really soft earpiece, which is nice. And everything is really smooth, and it's lightweight, so that's nice, and it's flexible. You can see you can adjust the sound bar there, the microphone bar, and you do have a few different pieces or a few different buttons here that you could click to do different things. Looks like volume plus your Bluetooth connection, so you can find that out when I do the review. So let's go ahead and see actually how it fits. So if I put it on my head, you see this one presses against this side to keep it in place. It is not like pressing so hard that it's uncomfortable, but it does have a nice spring action to it, so I can move it and bring it off. When I do put this on my ear, it doesn't cancel out everything around it, but it does make a nice cover against my ear so I can hear what's going on in here, I would assume. This is nice, so it's not right on top of your face. You don't have one of those big foam balls on top. It says it has noise cancellation, so that's going to be nice too. And then you can always take this and flip it up if you need to, or flip it down depending on what you need to do. So overall, first initial look looks pretty nice. Has your little USB input there to keep it charged. But just first look in this unboxing, really nice Bluetooth wireless headset. So I am looking forward to checking this out. Again, if you want to just go ahead and purchase it, I have an Amazon link below, but watch for the review of this coming soon. And yeah, looking forward to checking this out with my phone. So I'm Alan from Damn Good Reviews. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Click that little bell icon to stay up to date with everything I do. And of course, for discovering new great products. And again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.